Okay folks, hey, who's been to Bunnings and got himself a brand new Ryobi 18 volt electric 33 centimetre mower. Now I've been agonising over this decision for some months and it's taken a toll on the winter lawn here, and it was for high time to make a decision. But let's go through this quickly, and there's no invitations to subscribe or pauses, so you don't need to skip ahead. Let's just get straight down to brass tacks. Look, I've had petrol mowers, I've had second-hand mowers, I've had a Zito electric corded mower for the last little part of my life, but it was high time to take the plunge on lithium, and look, I'm very pleased with the decision I've made. So let's go through what happened. I went through and looked at the cheaper Zito battery ones, and I just wasn't convinced about the quality. I saw some amateur YouTube showing off that they just weren't really holding together well. Now, I'm also a Ryobi 1 18 volt user, so my drill, my jigsaw, they're all running on 18 volts. So I've already got those batteries. So Ryobi, well done, you've got me, okay? And so when it came down to it, the $319 purchase for the base model here, which has only got a 33 centimetre cut width and just comes with the 4 amp hour battery, it was going to be ample for the bit of lawn, and I'll cut away to a shot about now if I possibly can to show you just how little lawn I've got to do here at this property. So, a Zito out of the way, wasn't convinced about the quality. There's a couple $100 or quite some amount of money, another $100 to go to the Ryobi one, but look, it even started straight away when I got home, because now let's skip back to show you what's in the box first before I get into the nuts and bolts. So, in the box, we've got a charger and a 4 amp hour lithium battery, okay, in the Ryobi 1 system. We've got obviously the mower. Now, I did the classic thing as an Australian and an IT guy. I didn't read the manual, yeah? But this is one of those occasions where actually I was able to assemble this thing without any drama whatsoever. So all you had to do, the catcher was already assembled, nothing to do there. We just had these 2 legs which obviously clipped into a little point here, which I might do a cutaway to as well. The 2 arms went in here. This is all one piece, it's already attached, the cord is already attached. All we had to do is pop these 2 legs into place, or 2 arms into place, and then just these couple of thumb screws here to rotate on and actually tighten up to position and complete the assembly of this item. Now, the battery that actually came with it was pretty much flat, so I didn't have anything to do with that, or didn't have any charge in there to go ahead and do anything. But what did I do? I went straight to the back of the van and I grabbed out, what's this, a 2.5 amp hour that was in my drill, and actually on board right now is a 1.5 hour, so the 2 batteries already had. Now I've actually completed the lawnmower here, only a little bit of space I must admit, but these part charged Ryobi 1 batteries were enough to get the job done, so very happy about that. And we'll get the 4 amp hour charge at some point, so we've got that ready to go in the future. Now of course all these batteries are going to fit all my other Ryobi accessories, and of course Ryobi will remind you there's over 120 things they're doing with this one battery system now. Isn't the world going mad for lithium right now? Anyway, let's get back to this. So straight away we had this all assembled, really straightforward. Then the catcher attaches, and maybe I'll do a little cutaway to show you how easy that goes on. And just under the bonnet here, and we've got, as I said, the 1.5 hour, so I flattened that, getting the last little bit done, but that just slots straight into the place it's obviously assembled for. And look, there's no charge in this, but we simply push the button here and we pull the handle here, and the thing is, it's kind of slow to spin up, but it's there, you know, and it's so incredibly quiet. You know, this is definitely the quietest mower I've used, including ported electric mowers, and so I'm very happy with that. And it just got on with the job. Now, the other thing about this is so incredibly light as well. Did you see that? Now, I've been surfing lately, so there's some muscle there, but look, let's even check the box. So the box in total, so net weight here is 11.2 kilograms. Let's take out the weight of the box, the cardboard, and the charger, which is hundreds of grams only. So this thing's coming in at a net weight of around about 10 or 11 kilos, and I'm not going to bother you with all the technical details. Now, the only other thing I did before kicking off is, of course, on the side here was the actual height adjustment. Because it's been a while and I like a nice deep lush lawn, I did actually move this to the highest setting here. That one handle here on the front of the mower controls all that. But anyway, look, that's about it. I don't know what else to tell you, but it's obviously a good decision that I feel I've made. So much so that I've actually got to made a video about it, and I'll post that out to my YouTube channel. So obviously anybody else considering this purchase. Now that's just in terms of this. We'll just do this little bit for you. So it's actually the one I've got here is the RLM 18 by 33 S40 Type 2. Now there was a model that was about $80 more. That was, I think it was a slightly wider cut, but it seemed like there was just a graded thing. There's also the 36 volt. Didn't need it for my situation, nowhere near enough lawn, but obviously if you, and I've seen other videos where people have got the bigger, chunkier one for full backyards, full Australian backyards. But anyway, so very pleased. I recommend you go out and get one for yourself if you want, because it does the job. Incredible, eh? The world in lithium and electricity. If only we'd invented that first before the combustion engine, yeah? Okay, job done. See you next time. Hey, thanks for watching another episode of the East Central Business Show. What we'd love you to do is subscribe if you're watching us on YouTube, and go look for other videos we're doing. If it's on some other channel like LinkedIn, where we love to talk to you and educate you through great episodes, then please follow and watch out for more episodes. We'll see you next time.